I'm not sure why you are here, but you're about to go to jail.
Why?
What do you mean, why? That's common sense. You're under arrest.
I speak English no good.
You going to jail. You're going to start comprehending English.
Coshocton County, Ohio, 2024. Law enforcement apprehended Ming Sue, a Chinese national wanted on 309 counts of counterfeiting and theft across multiple states in an organized gift card fraud operation. This case illustrates the complex interplay between state law, federal law, and constitutional principles in prosecuting cross-border criminal enterprises.
Okay. They've got several Chinese people.
He's got shit on.
Okay.
You got this, then I'll go back.
Yeah,
you're okay. All right.
As soon as somebody buys these and loads these, they put them on right. This is huge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put your hands up.
So, were those cards on him too?
Yes.
Yep. All of them. Evidently, there's some big scam that's going around.
Yeah. Oh, they use these things all the time for that.
Oh, yeah.
You got ID?
I no ID.
No ID?
I trust the America.
You what? America, yeah, you're here.
Stealing from us.
Okay.
How many cards is that?
I don't know if these cards have been tampered yet, or I know he
So
grabbed
he's going to put money in these while he's in the store, or he's just trying to get all these taken
He
out?
took them all to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So he's having people put numbers on them and then transferring it somewhere and using the card.
I introduce you.
They're getting info off of them.
Passport.
You speak
Passport.
So we're trying to get.
You know what a passport is?
passport.
Yeah. Let me see your passport.
我是走线进来的，然后我的护照，在放入，然后我的护照，在放入边境的时候就没有带进来。
Passport was not brought in when it was.
Where are you living at?
Where's home? Where do you live? Where are you staying at?
Okay, and then
我刚进美国，我没有住的地方。
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You got a vehicle?
No, no
How'd you
money.
get here?
Sorry. 我刚来美国，没什么钱。
I'll also see it.
I get that, but I really don't care. So,
These ones haven't been tampered.
how did you get here?
These ones were, though, or you
I don't know.
We don't know.
They
These are the
take
ones
them.
he just handed.
Here,
They're really
as in this Walmart.
Yeah.
So they already tampered with? So
Not
you
these ones.
They have
These
not
ones
been?
don't look
What they do is they go tamper them, get whatever information they need, put them back out. The customer buys it, loads it, and then they automatically get the funds.
He may have all that information already.
He may.
Yeah, I'm not putting these back out. I can't.
No, I know.
So
Yeah, so.
是有人把我丢在这里，然后他就走了。
A couple
he hit
what?
Vienna, West Virginia.
Trespass from Walmart anyhow?
He hasn't been caught.
Oh.
So I'm trespassing him today. Look, they were
not
wondering
in
if
for all
you could get a
of
search
your
to
stuff
search the
that you're
car.
going
'Cause I guess
through,
once they search the car,
But you're about to go to jail.
a bunch of different people throughout his region or whatever.
我说的
And they've car.
Did you ever say how'd he get here?
Well, that's awesome.
I'm not sure why you are here, but you're about to go to jail.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Yeah,
That's common sense.
Hey, we'll see
He just came out of the bathroom, right? He's past the last point of sale.
Yep. Yeah. He took it to the bathroom. He passed the registers.
Why was you in the bathroom?
What do you think of search?
I mean, technically it's theft. He walked past the last point of sale with these concealed in his coat. That's theft right there just by taking these. He's got to have ID, or guess what? I mean, he's going to jail if he don't provide ID.
He's in the system. I don't know what he was been caught for. It's this. I don't know how much.
He's in the Walmart system?
Illinois.
He's hitting all Walmarts throughout the state of Ohio, Illinois. He was last seen in Illinois.
And his
Right here.
and these ones are in his jacket.
No, they were
Where's
on his
MI?
Oh,
What state's am I?
Michigan. Isn't it? Yeah.
So Michigan, he had 38 older cards, 26 Apple, and 12 N-Common Visa cards. Is your name Ming?
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 M-I-N-G-F-U-E? Is that you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know this.
Yeah.
Told you.
This ain't the first Walmart you've had problems with.
Sorry.
Picked the wrong one.
Is your last name
So,
X? I'm not showing you my phone, buddy. Is that you? Ming? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this is the same one. Though.
Ming. Yeah.
Sir, English no good.
You going to jail?
You're gonna start comprehending English real quick.
Hang on. Put your hand
You're
behind
under
your back.
arrest.
I speak, I speak.
Hang on a second here.
Please me speak. 警察先生，我这是犯了什么罪吗？
He says, "Am I guilty of any crime?"
Yes.
China,
He said he didn't know that. He said they were
China.
That's funny because he's
yeah.
the one in the.
This one?
No. Yeah. 警察先生，你能帮我叫个翻译吗？
So I bet you if he's
Can you call an interpreter? This is an interpreter.
I just say we escort them all.
警察先生，这些卡片不是没有钱吗？
These cards don't have any money. These you still have to pay for. You can't just take these.
See, he thinks he has it all figured out.
These are not free. And you concealed them in your coat.
No, sir,
You didn't go past these registers?
We know he did though, right? Ricky, because it's on camera.
They said
Probably
it
going to the
was
bathroom.
我放口袋里是我要上厕所，我还没出去呢。
I put it in my
He
pocket
says it all.
and went to go to the bathroom. I haven't gone out yet. Doesn't matter. You went past the last point of sale. So I put it in my pocket and went to the bathroom. Right there. That's intent to steal.
Oh, yeah.
警察先生，我还没过去收银台呢，我人还在这里。
I haven't been to cashier yet. We're
My people.
hold this. Hey, hang on a second here.
So my people,
Hang on a second.
okay.
What? Hang on.
Oshio State Law, Oshio Revised Code 2913.02, the last point of sale doctrine established in State versus Otti 2003. Critical principle. Passing checkout registers with concealed merchandise itself constitutes sufficient evidence of theft intent. Prosecution does not need to prove the suspect exited the building or refused to pay. Active concealment plus passing registers equals elements of offense satisfied. Professional lesson Hasson. This legal standard protects retailers while providing clear boundaries for enforcement. Police do not need to wait for suspects to leave the store. This prevents dangerous situations where suspects reach the parking lot. Early intervention equals greater safety plus clearer evidence. The doctrine balances Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable seizure with practical retail theft prevention. Ohio Revised Code 2923.32, Pattern of Corrupt Activity, Ohio RICO, requires 3 mandatory elements. 1. Minimum of 2 separate criminal incidents, TWO, connected through common plan or purpose. 3. generate substantial income or resources. In this case, 2,336 gift cards plus 4-month operation plus 3 states equals all 3 elements satisfied. Penalties dramatically enhanced compared to simple theft. Federal Law 18 USC, Section 1029, Access Device Fraud, Federal Jurisdiction Threshold, producing, possessing, or trafficking in 15 plus access devices with intent to defraud. Access device equals credit cards, debit cards, gift cards, account codes, means of account access, maximum penalty, 15 years federal prison. This case, 76 cards on person plus 2,000, 260 cards in vehicle equals, far exceeds federal threshold. Professional lesson #2, dual sovereignty. Both state and federal systems have concurrent jurisdiction. Double jeopardy clause does not prohibit because 2 separate sovereigns involved. Prosecution strategy. State initiates quickly with on-scene evidence. Federal investigates deeply for broader network. Multi-level coordination equals more effective justice delivery and resource optimization. 4th Amendment, probable cause, legal standard. Facts and circumstances within officer's knowledge sufficient to warrant belief by reasonable person that crime has occurred. This case, observed retail theft plus outstanding warrants from multiple states plus Walmart system alert equals clear probable cause established. Vehicle search lawful through, inventory doctrine or probable cause from known criminal pattern. Graham 5, Connor 1989, Supreme Court use of force standard. Reasonableness must be judged from perspective of reasonable officer at the scene, not with 20/20 hindsight. Critical factor, what officer knew at moment of decision. In this case, suspect with 300 plus charges plus multi-state evasion pattern equals high-risk encounter. Use of force could be justified if resistance occurred. Reality, no force needed equals professional restraint. 5th Amendment, right against self-incrimination. Miranda rights not required for initial identification questions. Legal boundary, basic identification questions, name, address, is not equal to interrogation about crime elements. When questioning focuses on confession of guilt, Miranda becomes mandatory. Language barrier does not exempt compliance with lawful orders. Interpreters provided at formal booking plus court proceedings.
Hang on a second.
Sorry, sir.
Hang on a second.
Sir, you speak. Give me. I police. 然后就 you 警察先生，我走到这里，我还没过收银台，他们就过来逮我了。哦、no. Sorry, please. Yeah. 警察先生，我刚走到这里，你们就过来找我了。
Mr. Policeman, you can to see me as soon as I got here.
Please.
Oh, yeah, okay. I think we're done.
Let's go.
All right. Well, I'm going to ask him where he lives at real quick so we can try to get an idea on him.
Does he have car keys or anything? No.
Sir, please. Okay.
You going to stand there?
Okay.
Okay.
我从德州进来的。
I came in from Texas. Is that where you live?
Mexico.
Okay, my API is on the office. I'll have the full video to see if we can pull the
No.
Okay.
You cannot go past the register and have merchandise in your coat.
Chucky.
That means you're not going to pay for it.
Hey, we're not going to keep going back and forth on this.
What do you just want me to hook him for theft then for now?
I want you to hook him for an investigative hold and do the report.
Oh, okay.
I will either charge him with a misdemeanor in the morning or we'll do a
We'll
felony.
figure it out.
Professional, lesson #3, consciousness of guilt, legal concept, pattern of behavior demonstrating awareness of wrongdoing. Indicators, in this case, systematic multi-state operation, plus identical, repeated methodology, plus use of multiple identities, plus continuous movement to avoid detection, evidentiary value. This pattern, not isolated acts, proves intent to defraud. Lesson: document every incident to establish pattern. Singular events equals weak case. Systematic pattern equals strong prosecution. Professional lesson #4, evidence preservation, chain of custody critical in complex cases. Requirements: document each card, plus photograph at scene, plus package separately, plus maintain custody chain. In this case, 2,336 cards require detailed inventory system. Gaps in chain of custody equals risk of evidence suppression at trial. Best practice: video entire collection process, plus 2 witnesses, plus immediate sealing and documentation. Inter-agency coordination, success, modal, Walmart security system, plus local police, plus federal investigators equals maximum effectiveness. Corporate databases provide criminal history, plus geographic patterns, plus real-time alerts. Legal information sharing under legitimate business interest, plus no privacy violation, plus supporting lawful investigation. Lesson: public-private partnerships equals powerful tool against organized crime that no single agency can combat alone. Legal outcome and significance: guilty plea, 299 counts counterfeiting, plus 1 count RICO. Sentence: 6 years Ohio State Prison. Federal investigation, ongoing. Broader significance: this case establishes precedent for prosecuting organized gift card F.